In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're correcting an error or simply need to remove a payment for any reason, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and knowing how to edit or delete transactions is an essential skill. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the tutorial. First, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand navigation menu. From here, click on Sales. This will open up the Sales section of your QuickBooks Online dashboard, where you can manage all your invoices, payments, and customer information. Within the Sales area, select the Customers option. This will bring up a list of all your customers. Scroll through the list to locate the customer whose payment you want to delete. If you have a large customer base, you can also use the search bar to quickly find the specific customer. Once you've found the customer, click on their name to open their profile. This will display their full transaction history, including invoices, payments, and any other financial activity associated with them. Now, scroll through the transaction timeline to find the payment you wish to delete. Take your time and make sure you're selecting the correct payment. Before proceeding, verify the payment details. Double-check the date and the payment amount to ensure you're working with the right transaction. Accuracy is key here, as deleting the wrong payment could cause unnecessary confusion or errors in your records. When you're sure you've found the correct payment, look for the small caret or drop-down arrow located on the payment line. Click on this arrow to reveal a list of options. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. QuickBooks will then prompt you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm by following the on-screen instructions. After the payment has been deleted, take a moment to review the customer's updated balance. Check to see how the deletion has affected their outstanding invoices or other transactions. This step is important to ensure everything is still accurate and accounted for. Finally, it's a good idea to check your reconciliations and reports to make sure everything aligns correctly after the deletion. Removing a payment can impact your financial records, so it's worth double-checking that all your numbers add up as expected. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a payment in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.